Hey YouTube, I just wanted to get your opinion on rebuilding these modern engineering regulators for an oxyacetylene setup. They were given to me. Some people are saying the parts are obsolete, and I'm not sure. I haven't even hooked them up to a bottle to see if they leak or not. Looks like the oxygen is a type J, and the acetylene or I have that backwards. Acetylene's a type J, and the oxygen is a type P. It's got Miko gauges. Those probably need to be replaced. Well, tell me what you think. Take care. Have a good day.